In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp Guide for Beginners 2026. Let's get you up and running quickly and confidently. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're inside your workspace, remember that a space in ClickUp is a top-level container for a team, a project, or even your personal work. Think of it as the home for everything related to a specific area. Open the space you want to set up and head into its space settings. If you don't have a space yet, create one now. Give it a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what belongs there. You can pick a color or icon to make it easy to spot and choose whether it's private or shared. Keep the initial setup simple. You can always refine details like statuses and permissions as your needs become clearer. Inside Space Settings, find the Templates section and select Browse Templates. Templates are pre-built setups for lists, statuses, custom fields, and views that save tons of time and keep your structure consistent. Use the search bar to find a template that matches your workflow. For example, you might look for marketing campaigns, product roadmaps, IT support, or personal task management. Open any promising template to preview what's included. Pay attention to sample lists, statuses such as to do and in progress, custom fields like priority or effort, and any views or automations. Choose the one that aligns best with how you plan to work. When you're ready, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to apply it to a location. Choose your current space. Review the import options. You can include sample tasks if you want examples to learn from, or skip them for a clean slate. Decide whether to keep your existing statuses or replace them with the templates set for consistency across the space. Confirm by clicking Use Template again to finalize the import. After it loads, you'll see your space populated with ready-to-use lists and views like board, list, or calendar. Take a moment to tidy up. Rename lists to match your projects, remove anything you don't need, and adjust statuses so they reflect your real process. Set your default views and pin the ones you use most. If you're collaborating, review sharing and permissions so the right people can view or edit tasks. Finally, create a personal task in your new space to test everything. Add a clear title, a due date, and an assignee if needed. Choose the correct status. Add a description or checklist, attach any files, and use priority or tags sparingly to keep things readable. That's it. Go to ClickUp, configure your space, apply a template, and start creating tasks. Keep refining as you work, and remember, you can adjust any setting later. Happy organizing!